is आप एक स्टूडेंट विद्यार्थी तभी रहोगे जब आपके मन में शांति, धैर्य और जिज्ञासा हो. With this wonderful thought, I am Guru Shami, behalf of class 4, wishing you very auspicious and charming good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Chairman Sir, and all the hardworking and high-minded teachers of the Clan Academy. Today I am here to command this assembly. Classes, attention! Stand at ease! Attention! Stand at ease! Attention! To respect our soldiers, I would like to call my classmates for prayer. Go ahead, patriotic song now start. I shall always try to be a learn what is of it. I shall show respect to my parents, teachers and elders. I shall show kindness to animals, to my country and my people. I pledge allegiance in their happiness and prosperity. Among our happiness. May God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Attention, Kennedys. A beautiful thought tries our morning very beautifully. So I would like to call Anushka Goswami for her Good morning to all of you. My name is Anushka Goswami. I am reading class 4th. My thought is, a man is great by deeds, not by birth. Repeat my thought once again. A man is great by not by birth. हिंदी मीनिंग, व्यक्ति अपने कर्म से महान बनता है, जन्म से नहीं. Thank you. Have a nice day. Attention, studies. It is very important to know what happening around us. So I would like to call Bhumika Khetwal for her news headlines. Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the high-minded and hard-working teachers of Uttarayan Academy and my all schoolmates. First of all, a warm good morning to you all. This is Bhumika Khetwal. I study in behalf of class 4. Today I am here to present my news headlines. And my news headlines are: my first news from International. International Criminal Court deployed 42 members World Crime Investigation Team to Ukraine. My next news from National. India appoint Naveen Atwa as new ambassador to Nepal. PM Modi takes part in G7 summit on next month. My next news from Uttarakhand. Badrinath Dham Yatra was suspended due to heavy rainfall of magnitude 4.6 hits in Uttarakhand's Pithoragarh. My next news from sports. Hope Thomas Cup stays in India for long badminton star HS Meruli. My next news from temperature. Today is the temperature of Bageshwar is 34 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a precious day. Attention, studies. Plant give us food. Plant give us oxygen. So give you more information about plant. I would like to call Bhaskar Puri Goswami for article. Honorable Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. First of all, very good morning all of you. My name is Bhaskar Puri Goswami from class 4. Today I stand here to say article, and my article topic is plants. Plants is a living things. Plants give us oxygen. Plants give us food. Plants give us shade. Plant, we get wood from the plant. Wood is used to make furniture. Plant purify the air. Plants help in bring rainfall. Thank you. Have a nice day. Studies. Attention, studies. We know you are very intelligent, so give you more information about general grammar. I would like to call Lakshit Pandey for GK question. Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking high-minded teachers of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. Today I, Lakshit Pandey from class 4, here to ask you some GK question. And my first question is for class LKG. What is the color of your dress? Once again, what is the color of your dress? Yes, white is the correct answer. My next question is for class UKG. How many vowels are there? Repeat my question once again. How many vowels are there? The correct answer is 5. My next question is for class 1st. How many alphabets are there? Yes, 26 is the correct answer. My next question is for class 2nd. How many colors are there in rainbow? 7. Yes, 7 is the correct answer. My next question is for class My next question for class 3rd. How many districts are there in Uttarakhand? Yes, 13 is the correct answer. My next question for class 4. When was Chandrayaan launched? 22 July. Yes, 22 July 2019 is the correct answer. My next question for class 5th is, how many districts are there in Garhwal Mandal? Yes, 7 is the correct answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Attention, Kennedys. Attention, Kennedys. Our small kids are our rising stars. So I would like to call our small kids for poem. Kennedys. Our respected teachers always motivate us. So I would like to call Mrs. Maya Bagri ma'am for motivate us.
The dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the worthy teachers of Shrine Academy, and my dear students. First of all, very warm and energetic good morning to all of you. Today, I am presenting here a small poem. Poem is like that. सूर्य से पहले उठना होगा, अपने कार्य में जुटना होगा, निश्चित ही पाएंगे सफलता, हर मंजिल को छुपना होगा. जिसकी आज कल्पना करते उसी समय को लाना होगा. अगर सपनों को पाना है तो हद से आगे जाना होगा. खुद को लड़ना होगा, खुद ही खुद से पढ़ना होगा. अब कमियां दूर कर अपनी सारी हमको आगे बढ़ना होगा. अगर सपनों को पाना है तो हद से आगे जाना होगा. अहंकार को त्यागना होगा, लोभ मोह से भागना होगा. जब तक सफर खत्म ना हो तब तक हमें जागना होगा. अगर सपनों को पाना है तो हद से आगे जाना होगा. बातों से न बात बनेगी, करके कुछ दिखलाना होगा. अगर सपनों को पाना है तो हद से आगे जाना होगा. थैंक यू. हैव अ वंडरफुल डे.
National anthem, loudly and correctly. Now start. Attention, Kennedys. Attention, Kennedys. Classes, show your hankies. Now I'd like to call our respected principal ma'am to address the assembly.
A very fresh morning to our honorable chairman sir, all the worthy teachers and my lovely students. Yes children, how you are today? Okay, that's good. Okay, students, as this is the one thought is here said, that success is normally found in a piles of mistakes. Success is normally found in a piles of mistakes. It means that the success, when you are getting the at last the result, good results, so it is that is practice. It is the practice. And during time you have made the many mistakes, है ना, you have आपने कई mistakes किए हुए हैं, और उस mistakes के बाद जो आपने practice की, so at last you are able to just give the best performance. Right or not? Isn't right or not? Similarly, in your daily revision time, your teachers are conducting your revision test. So in that, many mistakes you are doing. In the spelling mistakes and your sentence making mistakes. But at last, after doing the many more revisions, many more times practice, so at last in the examination time, you are writing proper way. Isn't it? So similarly, today also, after just lots of practice, lots of mistakes, so at last the class 4 students, so they are very well in condition, they are able to present their performance here. So really it was a very nice energetic performance. So the students give for these students a very big hand. And also it was a very nice poem that Maya ma'am said here. So जागो आप लोग खूब इसमें जल्दी अपना काम करो, practice करो. So many good lines were there. So you all the students you follow, and so for this nice performance also nice poem, you just give the clap, big clap for this man. Okay, so now the students, as you know, daily your revisions going on. I hope you will do better in your FA1 examination, and so do hard work, be positive, and good luck to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Classes, stand at ease. Attention, stand at ease. Now I like to call our respected chairman sir for saying few words.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Especially students, we are doing a lot of hard work behind to getting the success. Every day we are listening here success and success and success. And truly you have to know that what is the meaning of success. Already Maya ma'am has told you a very good poem. And success means that when you will cross your limit, then you will get success. A means of that words, that means suppose your capacity is to get the 60% only. Next time you have crossed the 60%, that means you achieve the 65. This is, you have to increase your limits. You have increased your limits 60 to 65. Next time, again, this is challenges for you to cross your limit. Again, you will cross the 65. Maybe this is 68. Then your limit is the 68. Again, the challenge for you to how to cross your limit 68. That means again you will reach to the 70 or 71. That means you are getting success and you are crossing your limits. So that means already ma'am says आपको अपने हद से गुजर के आगे जाना होगा. So that means is that you have to cross your limit. Don't be bound yourself in the limit. The first thing is that for the successness. And second thing is how you will get the success. Second, the things is that if you will keep the focus, then you will get the success. That means how much time that word and that your target is just surrounding in around you and in your minds. First, you have to check now. Whenever you are getting early in the morning, which kind of thoughts, which kind of the views, and which kind of the things are coming in your mind. That means you already understand that I am focused or not. Suppose you are getting, already you are thinking, okay, so my aim is that, so how this is going on, that's that. So that means you are in a focused way. If you are thinking any other things, so okay, that is thing, that is thing. So no, That means if you are out of your target, out of your aim, that means you are not in the focus. Must, this is must. कि every day, whenever you are going to sleep, you must think about your career, and whenever you are getting up, you must have think about it. First thing is should be that. And today is also birthday of my little kids, Jayas Ketwal, and after recess, 10:30 or 11 maybe, so we'll celebrate it. Until that, you will be study all. Okay? Understand? We are going to prepare, and so you will be enjoy after that, all of you. Okay, beta, fine, this much only, and you need to be focus yourself, and you should have कि why you are here. Beta, I already said, पढ़ने लिखने से आप लोग सोचेंगे, if you will think कि सिर्फ intermediate is enough for me या this degree is enough for me, बेटा सैकड़ों पढ़े हैं, कितने पढ़े हैं बेरोजगार. Everybody have this kind of the degrees, no values of these. Whenever you are not utilizing your things, whenever you are not able to get your knowledge about these things, and we are always be saying the percentage, but no, percentage is nothing to be. If you are not able to get the good knowledge, if you are not applying this knowledge in your behavior, this is nothing. Because you are only in the a very small surrounding here. When you will go out from here, so then you come to know कि कितनी भीड़ है बाहर. And everybody, in case of especially in India, we are the largest populated country. So a lot of population is there who is the unemployed. Why? Because they have not taken the proper educations, they are not serious and targeted to their at the times of this. That's why I am always be saying you have very good chance, 9 to 12th. 9 to 12th, if you have to focus yourself, if you have got to the depth of your knowledge, then you can achieve the best in your life. Otherwise, you will be just like that, a part of the mobs and part of the unemployed mobs only. Better be serious about it. I always be saying like that, because we already know what's the condition is the outside. So today this much only, and be focused about yourself and cross your limit. Cross your limit. And don't think my capacity is this much only कि I will be in the 60% only. इससे ज़्यादा तो मुझे करना ही नहीं है, मेरी capacity है ही नहीं. No, you should have the hunger. If you are not, that means you will fulfill and satisfied. You are not able to do any kind of things in your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Attention, studies. Attention, studies. Now I would say a small thought like that. Every task is easy. Every task is easy. Just get sound from inside. I repeat my thought once again. Every task is easy. Just get sound from inside. Hindi meaning of this thought is, हर एक कार्य आसान है, बस अंदर से आवाज आनी चाहिए. Classes attention, studies, attention. Roll number 1, turn your right about 10. Roll number 2, turn your right about 10. Roll number 3, roll number 4, turn your right about 10. Roll number 6, turn your right about 10.